Hey guys, on today's video I want to show you the best way to use these products plus a review, because I already used this. So this one's empty, and I want to show you that the best way to use this is actually to use it as a concentrate. So that means you would just spray it on this right here, not on all over your grass. So this does tell you can spray it all over your grass, and that's gonna work. Yes, it kind of does work, but you should concentrate most of the spraying on getting this wet. So once you get this wet, then it's gonna work. So I found that the best way to do that is just by using one of these guys. So see this right here? You mix your water in there, you mix your concentrate, and then you spray it directly on each one of these guys here. And then you get rid of them. So you already used it last year, so I know it works pretty well. Last year I actually tried spraying it all over my lawn. Yeah, it kind of worked. It wasn't the best. It was only the best when you actually get close to it and you fully soak it, then it works. So this year, what I bought was just this. So I'm gonna put water here. You're supposed to put 125 milliliters of this solution right here mixed with 1 liter of water. What does that mean? Well, that means if you're gonna mix, for example, this whole thing, it's gonna be with 8 liters of water. So that's the mix that you're gonna do. And then what you're gonna do is just spray it directly on the plant itself. I'm gonna show you the results that you get from doing something like that. So yes, better and faster results you would get from smaller guys. So before they actually grow, it's best to spray them once they're small. When they're bigger, they are a little bit harder. It takes a little bit more. Maybe you have to do 2 sprays, sure, one day after the other. It just takes a little bit more product to actually kill the plant. Now here's an example of a weed after 3 days. So this was a small weed. So this was a baby one, just like this one right here, which I recently sprayed. So not so recent. It was just yesterday that I sprayed it, but I didn't have that much product left. So that's why it hasn't burned out too much. But that's how it starts burning out, as you guys can see. And here's an example of a bigger one, which will need more spraying. So it is burning out on the sides. You can see this burning out, that burning a little bit. But what I need to do is kind of spray it in there and then all the way around. But it is dying, it is burning out pretty fast as well. There's other ones that obviously need more work. They need a bit more spray in them in order to fully kill them. But you may notice around here, there will be some black spots on your grass once they fully burn out. The product doesn't seem to work 100% on all weeds. So for example, these guys right here, it did burn them a little bit, but it's way more effective on these guys.